Hello, good morning. This is Tausif Sheikh from Computer Department, APS JW. Actually, today I am going to teach you about Google Forms. So this session is all about Google Forms. In that, we are going to make lot of question papers. We are going to make multiple question papers. Each and everything we are going to make. So let us learn how to start with Google Forms. So now, what are the steps we are going to see here? So first of all, we are going to start with a browser called Google Chrome. In this browser,
Sorry, I didn't understand.
we are going to take a new tab like this. So here we are going to type Google Forms. You have to type Google Forms. Enter. What will happen? A link will come here like this: Google Forms free online surveys for personal use. Click on this. When you click on this, what will happen? This screen will open. In this web page, you are going to see
Here's what I found.
four options here like docs, sheets, slides and forms. So you are going to click on forms. When you click on forms, here down you'll get a button called go to Google Forms. So that is personal use. Collect and organize information big and small with Google Forms for free. So click on go to Google Forms. When you click on this, you will be asked for an authentication before this. Like for example, I'll again show it. I'm clicking on sign out. Let's see again how to sign in. Wait. Start your browser. When you start your browser, here you have to type Google Forms. Okay. When you start your Google Forms, click on this link again. Google Forms free online survey for personal use. Okay. Here four options will be there: forms, slides, sheets and docs. So forms, you click on forms. Then after that you have to click on go to Google Forms. When you click here, authentication will be there. Like you have to log in from here. So whatever your account is, you can use another account also from here, or else if you are in if you are having an account like this, you click on this, then your password will be there and click on next. When you click on next, you will be logged into Gmail, and this URL will come: docs.google.com/forms u0. In this this dashboard will be there, and this dashboard forms heading will be there like this. So now here some templates are there. This is a template: find a template, find a time, course evaluation, contact information, whatever. And whatever recently you have worked on, that will be shown here on this desktop. Okay. So when I start with a new Google form, I have to make a new Google form. What I'll do is, I'll click on blank. When we click on blank, here your paper will be displayed like this, right? Interface will be like this. In this, what you'll do, you'll give an heading here. Like let's say for example, Army Public School. Whatever heading you want to give, you can give. In description, you're going to add whatever paper you're going to make. Like let's say GK question bank. Here you'll be getting untitled question. So double click on this, type your question. Let's say, who is the current Prime Minister of India? Question mark. Now here you can change, like you want a multiple question type, or you want some other one. You want a paragraph, or you want a short answer, whatever. You want a check box, you want a drop down box, whatever. Let's say we are going for a GK question bank, so we are going to use multiple question choice. So here the first option you are going to create, let's say whatever option is there, let's say Narendra Modi. Okay. Then click here add option. click on this. The next option will come. In this you are going to type, let's say Donald. One will be correct, three other two will be incorrect. So let's say Rahul Gandhi here, Gandhi. So this is how you can create a question here. Now if you want to copy this question, this question, so you can click on this copy. So if you click on this duplicate option, automatically new question will be added here with the same question will be copied here like this. So next question we are going to create, let's say, who is the president of India? Question mark. Who is the current president of India? Let's say APJ Abdul Kalam. Let's say Ramnath Kovind. And here let's say Indira Gandhi. Okay, and if you want again, so you can double click here also. So again option will come. N number of options you can give. Done. Like this you are going to create the questions. After this, if you want to add APJ Abdul Kalam's photo image, so you can click on this image. So a dialog box open like this, a pop-up will be there. In this you can upload your photo from here, browse, or you can use a camera by URL, by photos. If you are having photos, then you can use from the photos if you have downloaded, or else you can use a camera here, or else you can use Google Drive, whatever. So you can download and you can browse here. So it will be added here like this. So this was the two questions I have created. Again, if you want a new question, so some options are here. So add a question here, then import questions. You can import questions also, like for example if you are having in Excel sheet, so directly you can import from here. You can add title and description, you can add image, you can add a video here, you can add section from here. Let's say if I click on this section, so now see next section is added here. So let's say this section is about academics. So you can give again a title here like 2020-21. Okay, so related to academics, related to whatever your topic is, you can add question from here, add question. Again you can make a question from here, same like that, same process is there. Right, type a question here or make options from here. Let's say now I want to see my preview, how my question paper is visible. So here visible preview option is there. Click on this. What will happen? You can see this type of question paper is created, and you can see how many options, and you can make corrections also. Like for example, who is the current Prime Minister of India? You want to change it, so you can come again to this tab and you can change again. Double click, you can change it. Okay. Now what happens? Now I want to change my theme color. Like I don't like this color. So what I'll do? I'll click on this current customize theme. Click on this. Now see, from here I can change. Getting? It's good to see. You can change your font style also from here. Let's say this one. You can change background color also from here, whatever background you need. Okay. Again I can click on preview. I can see how my question paper is visible like this. So people will be having this type of visual. Okay, getting? Now I want to send this question paper to my recipients. So click on send here. Here now you can send by email address. Let's say for example I am sending to Sandeep Kankal. Type here email address. You can add n number of email addresses from here. Subject is APSC Army Public School, and that is GK question paper. You can type date also here if you want. And here some messages there, default message there. I have invited you to fill out a form. So what you'll do, you can change the message from here also. So I have invited you to fill I have invited you to kindly answer these questions. Okay, so click on send. When you click on send, this question paper is sent to that recipient, and then they will be answering you. When they answer you, here one option is the responses. When you click on this, the response will come here. Getting, like for example, if you have sent to 50 children, 50 students, so in that 50, about 50, like let's say 45 have answered, so the responses will be here, and you'll be getting a chart here. Getting progress chart will be there. In that you'll see how many have answered, how many have not answered, what type of answers they are giving. Each and everything will be here. Understood? So this was about Google Forms. Again, if you want to go to dashboard, you can click on Forms Home, and again you can have your recently created here. See, opened on 11:52 am. If you click again, you can make changes and you can send to anybody. Again, if you want a new one, so you can click on blank. Same process will be there. So this was all about Google Forms. Hope you have enjoyed this session, and if you have any query, you can share it to my WhatsApp, and again I'll revert back to you. Thank you.